Alright, y'all know what time it is. Another purchase on the infamous WhatNot app. Let's see what I scored today. Wasn't gonna be today, a couple days ago, but has it coming in the mail. I'm gonna see what it is. Okay. What is that right there, boy? That is when I've been trying to get very picky and selective of what I'm buying. So this is what we got. Okay, we definitely got some R32 to compare it to for sure. Let's be gentle and try not to damage the box too much. Cut any little slits. Try to get it open some type of way. There we go. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. What do we have here? Ooh, be a little aggressive. Yeah. Go to the top here. A little bit complicated, but we're gonna get to it. Ooh, maybe. There we go. There we go. Have ourselves wide body. Wide body. 32. Any opening parts on this thing? Nothing opens. Nothing opens. And we do have us a nice car here. Need like a magnet to show on the base. See how things are looking. Got some bottom details there for sure. Made in China, 164 scale Nissan Skyline GTR R32 wide body with screws, so you can easily swap out some wheels. Are we rolling good is a real question. Are we rolling? Yeah, ooh. That's a nice roll. That's a real nice roll. I can say that myself. That is a real nice roll. That's what I like in cars. When the wheels don't roll, well, I just feel like it's trash. Of course, you're not running these down on Hot Wheels tracks, but we fully understand. Packaging was a little rough, but I got to it. This model, no opening parts at all, just singular car. Could have done more with that. I'm not really too pressed on it. I don't mind the parts unopened, but I don't like how Pop Race themselves are starting to not have every car opening. Some are, some are not. Let me pause this real quick and let me find a nice R32 to compare this to, from Pop Race to be exact. Give me 1 second. And of course, you have other brands in the diecast family. So you're gonna have your Hot Wheels, you're gonna have your Tamica, and you got your Pop Race. These are only examples I have of R32s. I got some other models, R33, R35, here. Some 34s are around, but yeah, Majorette, we all know they've been trying to make a comeback. But sticking to the main point here, we look at some things for comparison. Also, your Hot Wheels are going to be solid. Nothing opens. The decals are going to be stickers or printed on, as some people say, mostly not painted. And of course, you have alignment issues sometimes, like that tail light right there. The right side. It's Tamica, this is their premium brand, but a lot of people just didn't like the proportions on it. Made the roof a little bit too tall. These are going to be painted on graphics. It looks like we're going to have actual plastic pieces for your headlights, and you're going to have an opening door, some interior bits, but actually no interior panels on the doors themselves, but you got seats And of course you have the popular Pop Race, which has the opening trunk. Okay, that's nice. And then of course you got the opening hood as well, the engine bay in there. So this is definitely going to be a top one for folks. And this one has a good rolling wheels as well. They all roll fairly decent. Yeah, next to me, obviously the Hot Wheels. That's some of the best premium wheels out there on the market. But yeah, I like this a lot. I like the overall look of it a lot. I like the body kit is smooth. I'm not a big fan of the Kaido House type body kits. We can take a quick glance at this real quick. Of course, this car looks this way, but the car inside looks not really comparable. Oh no, this is a different cell, and this actually does have an integrated body. Forgot, it's the R34 and that other one they have out, the NSX, that has the not so integrated body kit. But actually it's properly done. A wide body, engine bay as well. Okay, no trunk opener on this one. That definitely is a nice car too, so a wide body for sure. This one has some issues with the wheels on this one, the back wheels. But so yeah, you got wide body there for your R32 and R33. But overall, how would I rate this one? Why does I throw a number out of there? A real number out there. I really like the way the wheels sound. I like the way they roll for sure. Front wheels definitely got some, definitely a go for you. To rate this, I get this a 9. This is an 8.5. I feel like maybe they have some opening parts on here that are functional, but it's a some great body lines, some great pieces. So again, see what I'm looking at here. This is the main car opened up. This is a special. Got this off of somebody on WhatNot app. Shout out to them. They wouldn't even selling for extras, only $20 plus shipping, so not even a markup, I guess. Some folks don't care, or they maybe are bulk suppliers and they're getting them much cheaper, who knows, but I got my own now. Thanks for watching again, Mr. J2 Cool Cars on Instagram, WhatNot, and YouTube. More reviews coming down the pipeline, more videos, more content. I'm trying to get over 50 followers, so if you've seen this video, subscribe, because I can start doing live videos when I'm out in public and traveling for work and showing you all these different crazy hobby shops at around America. Gonna be out here busting some moves. I got some crazy states coming up on my list, so you definitely want to check it out. All right, thanks for tuning in. Later.